G'day and welcome to another What's for Dinner segment brought to you by Coles.
We're Mick and Jodie-Anne from Champagne Food on a Beer Budget, and tonight we're super proud to be cooking with Uncle Ben's 90-second Mexican-style rice to make our delicious, full of flavour chicken fajitas.
Alright, let's show them how easy it is. So we're just going to prep our capsicum and onion, nice long thin strips.
So while Mick's getting that pan hot, I'm going to start in guacamole. Now watch this, guys. This is what we want you to do. Onto the board.
You got a bit of that too.
Bit of coriander will be magic. Oh, lime juice, most important.
Just getting that ready for you. Good, squeeze the lime juice in there.
All of that, I want that all in there. Beautiful. Excellent. That's our guacamole done. So I'm going to hook into this spice rub, and it's all the flavours of Mexico, which is exactly what we want. So the next step, which we can do together, if you want to look after the veggies that you've done and I'll look after the chicken that I've done, we're going to add the seasoning.
Add seasoning and straight into a nice hot pan.
That's starting to look fabulous.
Yes, so we've left these veggies just sit for 5 minutes.
Mexico, here we come.
I've just made ourselves a bit of a hole in the middle.
So I'm going to put the chicken in.
Right, so same thing again, we're just going to let that sit for a minute before we add the next and final ingredients.
Absolutely, which is our Uncle Ben's Mexican style rice. Now the thing with this stuff, guys, is that we're going to add it straight to the pan because it'll cook in the pan. It's already got its flavours and its herbs, spices already in the packet. But the other thing is
90 seconds.
in the microwave.
Microwave it for 90 seconds.
Absolutely.
Now we've actually done it that way in the past, but because we're doing a one dish, one pan wonder for you, this in 90 seconds is really good flavours and rice.
Absolutely. Not only is it quick, but it's flavoursome. Yay! I love that. Look at that. Last thing you want to do is a bit of coriander if you like coriander. Definitely a squeeze of lime. Well, I think that looks fantastic.
Now for the fun part.
Absolutely.
Then I want some Uncle Ben's rice.
Yum.
That's me.
So guys, give this recipe a go. It serves 4 people.
For this and more great recipes, just head to the website.
Absolutely. Cheers to that.
Cheers.